Hi there, it's AJ here, and today I have to install WordPress on one of my GoDaddy hosted websites. It's a fairly quick and easy process, so I thought I may as well document it just in case it helps anybody out. The particular site that I want to install it on is AJ's Design Lab, and the 403 error that I'm seeing here in this case just means that there is no file that I can access in the main root directory, but that's about to change as soon as I've installed WordPress. First thing is, I'm in my cPanel and I'm looking for the WordPress application. So if we scroll down here, we can see web applications, and I'm looking for WordPress. So let's click on that and it will open up the installatron. So we don't have to read any of this, we can just go ahead and click the install this application. Right, the first thing is to select the domain that we want to put this in. So I'm going to be selecting AJ's Design Lab here, and I want it on here. You'll notice that I can choose whether I want to have the www or not, and in this case I don't want www, so I'll choose that version here. I don't want to put it in a subdirectory, I want it as the main website, so delete the word blog there. And then if we scroll down, let's just have a look and see what we've got here. The administrator username. Now this is the name that you'll use when you sign in, so choose what name you happen to want, and for me I'll just do AJ's Design, that will do. And you need to remember that, and I'm going to put in my own password here as well. So either write those down or remember what they are. And the administrator email, we can either leave it as it is or we can put our own email in, and I'll do that. So this is my Gmail account. Website title, we don't really need to bother about this because we can change all these things here. Do I want to leave the limit failed login attempts? That will install a plugin for that. I may as well leave it on, and I'm going to click install. So I will save my password and we'll get this installed. Shouldn't take long, less than a minute. Okay, it's all done. All we have to do now is just click on the domain name WP admin and we can go and log in. So I'm not going to use the wizard, I'm just going to click no thanks. So yes. If I did use the wizard, then it would step me through all the things that I'm going to be doing anyway, and I don't want a GoDaddy theme. So I'm now logged in, and let's just take a quick look at the website. There we go. So I now have a WordPress install on my site ready to start work on. So there we have it. I've got a brand new install of WordPress on my website, and I'm ready to do any of the work or editing that I wanted to do. Thanks for watching.